So, welcome back to the accounts class. In cash flow statement, as we have discussed, we are having three activities. The very first is cash generated or used in operating activities. Second is investing activities, and third is financing activities. The very first we will discuss operating activity. In this cash flow statement format, in working notes, this is the first working note we are going to make. Calculation of net profit before tax. This is the very first thing which we have to calculate. In question, you will find balance in statement of profit and loss, current year and previous year. You will find balance, whatever is there, current year minus previous year. Now we have to add, the very first is dividend paid during the year. Whatever dividend we have paid, that we have to write over here. Next is interim dividend paid during the year. It is also given in the question. Transfer to reserve. It may be general reserve, it may be any other reserve. We have to write it. Then provision for tax made during the year. Whatever provision for tax we made, that we have to write. So very first was balance in statement of profit and loss. Whatever the surplus is there, current year minus previous year. Then dividend paid during the year, in that particular year. Whatever dividend we have paid, that we will write over here. Interim dividend paid during the year, that is also given in the question. Transfer to reserve. It may be general reserve or any other reserve we transfer. Provision for tax made during the year. All these points in this net profit surplus which we have got written in outside this amount. These four items, maybe one is given in the exam, 2 or 3, maybe all are given. Get their total. Then we have to write its total over here. Sometimes what happened, there is a refund of tax when we paid tax. So if we have paid more, then we may get refund. So that refund of income tax we subtract out of it. And at last we get net profit before tax. This is the very first working note. Please note down it. You can see this format very carefully here. If you could not look here, please see balance, dividend paid, interim dividend, transfer to reserve, provision for tax and all. Please copy this. I will explain in the question now. This is a very important part or the first step to get the operating activity. God bless you. Thank you.